Welcome to Imagine the Room Closet, your trusted closet organizer and storage solution provider for over 30 years. We give homeowners peace of mind by organizing their closets and homes so that everything has its place. You can visit our showrooms to choose from a wide selection of styles, finishes, and custom details tailored to your needs. You can also have one of our experienced designers visit your home. With our in-home consultations, we will work with you to design functional solutions that fit each space and your budget perfectly.
I began our manufacturing and closet design business in 1989, and I'm very proud to have two of my sons actively managing our operations.
We are a one-stop closet shop for all your home storage needs. From design, manufacturing, and installation, our professional team takes care of every step of the process. We've helped thousands of homeowners organize their lives one room at a time.
Call us today or send us a message and get started on your organizational journey.